Hello everyone. Today it's Earth Day and I've made a poster. This is a poster. It says, "We can change the earth with our own two hands." I'm going to show you how to make the poster. Let's see. What do we need to make the poster? You need two pieces of paper like this. You need sellotape. You need a pencil. You need a green pencil and a blue pencil. Or you can use paint and a sponge, and I'll show you how. And you also need this, which is the lid of a tin. Now, to start with, take the two pieces of paper and put them together, put them next to each other and use the sellotape. You're going to put the sellotape along the line so that they stick together. I've already made one, and can you see I have the sellotape here. Now take the lid, place the lid in the centre of the two pages, take the pencil and draw a circle. You can draw a circle around the tin, and this circle is up this part, the centre of the poster. Now, we can either use the pencil, so you could ask somebody to help you with this. You need to put both of your hands in the centre of the circle. Now, use the pencil and go around your hand. You go around the outline, and after you can use the green pencil and colour in the hand. So the hand part is for the land of the earth, and the blue represents the sea. There's the water. So when you finish colouring the hand green, use the blue pencil and colour in the water. Now, if you want to, instead of tracing your hand, you can use green paint, which is a nice idea. It's a little bit messy, so you need somebody to help. Put some paint on the sponge like this, and put the sponge onto your hand. You're going to cover your hand with the green paint, all of the fingers, and then you're going to put that green hand on the paper. Shrek hand, and then you're going to do the other one. Put that hand on here, there. Remember to wash your hands. You have to go to wash your hands straight away. And that needs time to dry. When we have finished the centre, you can write the words. So the words are, we can change the earth with our own two hands. Noi possiamo cambiare il mondo con i nostri due mani. And when the poster is ready, you can put the poster up, and that can celebrate this special day today. Now, why do we have this day? this day is to save the earth. And here I have 5 ideas that you can use to save the earth. Number 1 says, don't waste water. Don't waste water. Can you see there's water? Which you can think about when you go and wash your hands. Remember to turn the water off. Number 2, put your rubbish in the bin. Remember always to throw the rubbish in the bin. This is a paper bin, so I just put paper in here, and that is recycled. Number 3 is turn the light off. Remember to turn the light off. You can turn the light on, and you can turn the light off. Number 4 is don't use plastic. Now, not to use plastic. I have a special bag. This. It looks like a strawberry, but it isn't really a strawberry.